Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. This video is a continuation of videos where I talk about my favorite skincare products, and this video features Dr. Jart Cicapair Tiger Grass Repair Serum. This is a lightweight watery gel serum that soothes the look of redness and irritation and helps strengthen, balance, and improve skin defenses against dryness. Patent formula provides relief from the appearance of irritation. Skin appears soft, hydrated, and healthier looking. Now, if you have post-inflammatory erythema, which is very different from post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So the difference, in short, basically, when you've had a lot of acne, you have these red marks that won't go away for a while. You either need to use really good skincare or you need to do a laser treatment. Because I don't want to do a laser treatment, by the way, a little bit of a background. I've used Accutane for 9 months, nearly 9 months, and I have acne scars. In today's video, I chose not to put any makeup on, which is what I'm going to continue doing when I film these videos. But what I was trying to say is post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation is different from post-inflammatory erythema because post-inflammatory erythema is when you get the red marks on your skin that's left, that the acne, like basically acne scars. So if you were to be treating post-inflammatory erythema, you would use a product like this that helps with redness. But if you were using a product for post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, you would use something like this. This is Murad's Rapid Dark Spot Correcting Serum, which is not, I bought this, but it is not time for me to use this yet. I need to use products like this. So first of all, the green texture of this product, it's green, so the green texture helps with the marks, the scars. So this is a formula that is specifically formulated with niacinamide and Dr. Jart's Green Repair Solution, which is a property derma complex that brings together the reparative power of tiger grass, which is Centella asiatica, aka CISA, with a skin boosting blend of herbs, minerals, and moisturizing humectant, and a probiotic ferment which soothes, calms, and moistures the look of skin. So I'm going to pop off some of the active ingredients on the screen. This has Centella CX, which includes tiger grass Centella asiatica extract, aka CISA, and its active components plus 4 herbs, which are fishworth, holly, yarrow, and sea holly. And the second active ingredient is a moisture barrier replenishing complex that includes arabinogalactin CA12 and MgSO4 and glycerin to take care of skin's barrier. And the third active ingredient is Jart Biome, which is Dr. Jart's exclusive probiotic ferment ingredient, which is Streptococcus thermophilus ferment, derived from the skin's microbiome. So these are all the ingredients to this product. Well, I mean, there's more, and I can pop them on the screen as well. But with, you know, having glycerin, niacinamide, panthenol, the Streptococcus thermophilus ferment, and Centella asiatica extract, which is surprisingly on the very last of the ingredients, which is kind of surprising because that's supposed to be the main ingredient of this product. But anyhow, this product really works for me, and it gets rid of my hyperpigmentation and acne scars. It really helps with the redness of my skin, and I have like 3 backup of this product. So this is definitely a product that I would recommend for you guys to use for post-inflammatory erythema. And this has a mask and a cream as well. The line has 3 different products, and I have all of them. But the serum, I think, is the one that helps me the most. So I would definitely recommend you guys this product. Let's read a review about this product. I pulled this up from a different website. It says, this daily soothing serum for sensitive skin or sensitized skin helps relieve the appearance of redness as it strengthens skin's protective barrier to help prevent future irritation. It leaves skin looking softer and healthier. This is more of a skin soothing product. If you have fungal, that's a very important part here that I'm going to repeat again. If you have fungal acne, do not use this at all. The Cicapair Tiger Grass Serum is only for the red marks and hypererythema. So if you have active acne, do not use this product. If you have acne scars, go ahead and use it, and I'm sure that it'll work out. So that's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to continue this series of videos where I talk about my favorite serums and my favorite skincare products that really work for me. I'm not a skin expert, so I don't know exactly what goes into every skincare product and the exact ingredients whatsoever, but I'm very passionate about this subject, and so I will do my best to give you an idea, at least an idea of what to use and what product to use and when to use it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.